Hey, what's up guys? Wanted to show you, I've started out getting all the stuff cleaned out of my basement and out of my garage because we're gonna have to have the foundation fixed. It's freezing cold. We're about to have a polar vortex come down. It's gonna be negative 20 below degrees Fahrenheit tomorrow, but I wanted to get this started and I can't feel my face. So roll the time lapse. I am tired. Alright, bring you in here. I don't know where to put you. Go through box after box after box after box after box after box. I'm going through this box of mom's old stuff. It has, hey, Kelly did Vacation Bible School in 1988. I was 10. Now you know how old I am. And I'm like, wait, this, what is this? It's like there's a false bottom in this box. I pull it out. Cuddly Kathy from like the 50s, I think. Is that something? And one more thing was in here. Happy birthday, Jesus! So fun. So, do we want to keep these because mom loved them and we're going to put them in here and aw, mom loved them, or do we want to throw them away? I mean, is it just clutter?
Yeah, it's probably just clutter. Let's take a picture of them.
What is that, Kel? Well, I found in this little tin, oh, it just turned it over. So we have a little mailbox, you've got mail. It was from JCPenney's in the 80s. And they have little envelopes inside. They were stuffed inside there. And the envelopes have these tiny itty bitty little cards. One of them's addressed to mommy, and it says, "Joy to the world. Have a heavenly Christmas. Love, Kelly." And I tried to write my best handwriting in cursive. Oh my goodness, it is old. It's from 1987. Anyway, these are adorable. Do I need them? I don't know. So my mom kept them.
Tinsel for a tiny tree. And something that went fuck.
Oh, looks like it's a necklace. It's an odd looking bear necklace.
I'm pretty sure that does not bring me joy.
It means nothing to me. This is trash.
I guess. I mean, maybe somebody wants it.
Somebody wants this really ancient pencil?
I don't know. Don't ask.
I want it funny with a turkey in it.
We got a little distracted and changed seasons. Ha ha ha. Look at your shadow. Oh, you can't see it because you turn your head. You look like the little girl from Monsters, Inc. in your shadow.
Oh, Mommy's cardboard box. Ugh. This one was heavy.
What's in it? Oh, cute. I love that bag. Bog? I love that dog bog. Dog bog bag. Oh, that's cute.
Yeah, well, that's... Yeah, we're just gonna close that back up. Keep that. My childhood.
So why is that your childhood?
Because the landlord every year would come over with a box of chocolates and give them to all the tenants.
Cute. Mom would use those to
And
put
we
the gift
keep
tags.
our gift tags in there.
Box of boxes? What's in there?
More Christmas cards.
More Christmas cards. Mom wouldn't throw away bows or Christmas cards. Save the bows, honey. What is that? That's funny.
That is from Quito. Quito, Ecuador.
Ecuador.
That's awesome. Well, that's a keep.
This is where I wish I could help.
Now I'm going to throw the woman's equivalent of stuffed animals in here. We did it. We fought polar vortexes and blizzards and ice storms, and there's an upcoming snowstorm coming up, but we did it. We finished. We got the garage cleaned and the basement cleaned, even though it's like the Arctic Circle here. I guess maybe I belong in Norway and Sweden or something, because it really didn't bother me that much.
Never bothered me anyway.
And they come tomorrow morning to start jackhammering in my basement. Oh my goodness, it's gonna be so loud. Do you hear that?
Charlie, what's going on? Hey, Charlie, what is it? Charlie, what is it?
What is that? This is what Charlie thinks of it.
Hey, Charlie, what's that noise? What is it?
'Cause
They told me, and they like were screaming to get the other guy out. It was nuts. Now the gas guy's in there.
The house about blew up and about killed us. And we went out in the car and stuff, and we took the pets and stuff out in the car in the truck, listened to my music, and I was eating peanut butter with bananas. And I said, I gotta eat my peanut butter, but Karen said, no, you're not, you're going outside. Then the fire truck came, and the people worked down in the basement, and they checked it out, and we had gas leak.
Why? What happened? How'd they do it?
The worker cut the cat line.
Was it scary?
Yeah, really scary.
So, Charlie, you tell me, what happened? Well, it was really scary. They cut the gas line.
Check it out. It looks completely different now. It looks like we have giant gophers. Hey, please subscribe, click like, and watch for our upcoming video coming out this spring explaining all about Press Play on Life. See you there.
Do you wanna